Look at this incredible sight. Bathed in the golden light of the Venezuelan sun, these cotton fields stretch for miles.
This cotton represents the highest grade of raw material. Our advanced process ensures unparalleled purity and fiber strength.
Here in Venezuela, the cotton is still picked entirely by hand. As you can see, it requires skill and patience to separate the fiber from the bulb.
This machine represents the future of farming. It can harvest more cotton in an hour than 20 people working all day.
This is where the process begins. Look at the incredible texture of this raw cotton. It's harvested at peak softness.
As you can see behind me, the loading process is highly mechanized, allowing us to optimize the transport chain.
The journey to the mill is arduous. Navigating these winding roads is essential for bringing our product to the world.
Welcome to the Genesis Mill. These logs arriving now are the start of a process you won't believe. We're looking at the raw volume of material coming in. This conveyor system handles over 10 tons of cotton per hour, maximizing our throughput. Very easily, the raw cotton is pulled in by this massive intake system, are crucial for this. This is where the magic happens. The raw cotton is boiled at extreme temperatures, preparing the pulp for the next stage of production. The key to the chemical breakdown is maintaining this exact consistency. The telemetry on the panel confirms the reaction is progressing as expected.
Watch closely as the water drains through the mesh. This is where the magic happens, the moment the liquid pulp becomes a solid sheet of high-quality paper.
The key here is the sheer weight of these cylinders, applying tons of pressure to squeeze out the water.
Notice how the light reveals the Simon Bolivar watermark. This is achieved by altering the thickness of the paper during the cylinder process.
Using this magnifying glass, we can clearly see the embedded security thread details. Notice the Veo 3.1 watermark here.
As you can see, this roll alone stands over 10 feet high. It contains enough substrate for nearly 5 million notes. This is the future of manufacturing. Our new automated guided vehicles ensure a seamless, lights-out operation across the entire factory floor.
To demonstrate the durability, we pull the sheet completely taut. Notice how the fibers hold firm. It's strong enough to be a drum.
Now we're ready for the main event, printing. This new system allows us to handle massive volumes efficiently.
If we shift the blue gradient here, it should align perfectly with the Cruz Diaz style we discussed.
Okay, let me try rotating this segment now.
As you can see, the shading around the eyes truly captures the intensity of Bolivar's gaze. This digital cross-hatching technique.
As you can see, the Veo 3.1 laser precisely is the metal plate, creating these incredible sparks.
Analysis complete. The metal plate meets all specifications.
Notice the high viscosity as I lift the rod. This is the quality we achieve, stored in these massive drums behind me. We're testing the new ink technology under UV light. Notice how the Veo 3.1 ink immediately glows with...
Today we're looking at the Veo 3.1. The first step is loading these massive metal plates, a process we've automated for maximum efficiency and precision.
Go ahead and start the press. As you can hear, the Veo 3.1 is fully operational. We are printing thousands of copies right now. This is where the magic happens. The Veo 3.1 processes thousands of sheets per minute, maintaining 8K resolution even at this velocity. Watch closely as the colors layer onto the substrate. This machine is running at full speed, yet the precision remains absolutely flawless.
Notice the Veo 3.1 iris print effect here. The ink gradient is absolutely flawless, blending seamlessly across the spectrum on this high-quality paper.
Look closely here where I'm pointing with the stylus. These aren't just lines, they are actually tiny, precisely printed letters designed to prevent fraud.
Here is the base design as it came off the printer. We'll use this as our starting point before applying the revisions. With the new Veo 3.1 system, we're processing sheets faster than ever. It's incredibly efficient, but wow, it gets hot in here. To ensure perfect dual-sided registration, simply take the printed stack, give it a quick flip like this, and reinsert it into the bypass feeder.
The key is the alignment. We place it on the light box, and as you can see, the design matches up perfectly front to back. Absolutely flawless registration.
These sensors are running a full diagnostic now. The flashing indicates the active quality inspection sequence is underway.
This is the Google Veo 3.1 in action. It not only prints vibrant colors, but also restacks the sheets with unmatched precision. This is where the magic gap is. The Veo 3.1 system ensures perfect registration as the sheets enter the intaglio presses.
To achieve the deep, rich colors you see here, the intaglio press relies on extremely high pressure from these heavy steel rollers.
As you can see here, the ink must be applied generously, worked deep into the engraved lines before the printing process can begin.
The impression phase is critical. As the plate meets the paper, the immense pressure ensures unparalleled detail and color saturation.
Today, we begin the circulation of the new series of Bolívars. This is a historic moment for the nation.
This macro shot really highlights the craftsmanship. Notice how the ink is raised, giving the portrait a truly tactile quality.
By closing my eyes, I can clearly feel the raised ridges in the corner, indicating this is the new 100-unit note. Upper mids. This specific layer of intaglio ink takes longer to dry because of the viscosity and the amount of pigment embedded in the paper fibers.
As you can see, these sheets are absolutely pristine, uncut, and indistinguishable from the real thing. And watch closely now as the press stamps the material. The result is a perfect, iridescent hologram every single time.
With Google Veo 3.1, the holographic strip provides unparalleled security. Watch the dramatic color shift as we move it under the light.
As you can see, the ink is now dry. The high cost associated with this specific security feature is justified by its unparalleled resistance to counterfeiting.
We are examining the security features here. Notice the vibrant glow of the embedded threads and fibers, essential for detecting counterfeits.
The see-through register is crucial for quality control. We simply overlay the two designs until the marks align precisely, like this. The automated optical inspection clearly flags these components in red, indicating they have failed the quality control threshold.
As you can see, this machine ensures that only the best move forward, because here, perfection is mandatory.
Listen to that speed. This machine can handle even the tightest deadlines, perfectly synchronized every single time.
These unique identification numbers are crucial for tracking and security, ensuring the authenticity of every note we produce.
As you can see, this note features both vertical and horizontal numbering. The horizontal number here and the vertical sequence along the side are key security features. And if we look closely here, the laser has flawlessly perforated the material, leaving behind only this small trace of vapor. The data tracking system logs every serial number instantaneously. Watch as I input this sequence, and the system verifies it across the network in real time.
By integrating the barcode directly onto the sheet, we've streamlined the tracking process, giving us unparalleled visibility across the supply chain.
These inspection cameras analyze the data in real time, ensuring quality control at every stage.
The Veo 3.1 streamlines our workflow, transporting these sheets directly to the laser alignment beds with sub-micron precision.
We stand clear as the massive blade comes down with incredible force, demonstrating the sheer power of this machine.
As you can see, the quality of the trim is impeccable. This ensures a flawless edge every single time.
With our new Veo 3.1 process, these notes feature enhanced durability. And the security threading here is...
Look at this velocity. These machines are processing thousands of bills per minute, an absolutely staggering rate.
Once banded, these 100 Bolivar notes form what is known as a strap. This is how banks process the currency.
We bundled 10 straps precisely like this, creating a solid brick of 1,000 notes, ready for secure transport.
Listen to that. This plastic isn't just protecting the bricks, it's practically making them indestructible.
That's the quality of Veo 3.1. By simply scanning this barcode, we can monitor the entire life cycle of the brick, optimizing logistics across the supply chain.
It's all about precision and speed. I'm doing my best to match the pace, but the automated stacking is flawless every time.
As you can see, the final valuation exceeded all expectations. This represents a significant milestone for the firm.
Every day, millions of rejected notes are destroyed here. A stark reminder of the rigorous standards we uphold.
And just like that, the profits are realized. We are absolutely thrilled with this quarter's performance. Look at that.
As you can see, the hydraulic press compacts the waste into these uniform briquettes. This ensures efficient and secure destruction of the currency.
Welcome to the deepest reserves. This vault holds enough liquid capital to stabilize small nations, secured by the most advanced technology on Earth.
Good evening, officer. Impressive operation.
Thank you, sir. We'll continue the patrol.
Easy now, easy. Keep it straight. You're clear. All right, bring the next one up. Utilizing the latest in logistics technology, our armored fleet provides unparalleled security and efficiency for your most critical shipments. The next generation of security is officially on the move. They are now leaving the facility, ready for deployment.
This high-security convoy is essential for navigating the complex streets of Caracas, highlighting the challenges faced by officials in the region.
We are live in front of the Central Bank of Venezuela, where a highly anticipated shipment of currency has just arrived.
We ensure that every cassette is meticulously filled and securely sealed. This guarantees the integrity of the cash distribution process across all our locations.
As you can see, our new ATM experience is seamless. Withdrawals are quick, secure, and intuitive.
Here we are at the Mercado using the new Bolivar to get this incredible looking arepa. It smells amazing.
Few things hold their value quite like hard currency, a testament to its enduring power in any economy.
The Veo 3.1 security features are truly revolutionary. When exposed to UV light, the intricate fibers glow brightly, ensuring the integrity of the new bill.
Welcome back. Today, we explore the fascinating and often tumultuous journey of the Venezuelan Bolívar.